how to see your Roblox password. So first, what you want to do is open up your browser. Then once your browser is opened up, just simply click on the search bar at the top, then type in password just like so. Then this should pop up on your browser, be it the Chrome or any other browser. There would be quick commands. So it says password manager or show password manager and stuff. It might be different for you, but just simply click on it. And so I have the list of websites right here that I have my password on. So I'll just find the Roblox on the list. So I have roblox.com right here. And as you can see, these are my accounts and I have the password right here. So you simply need to copy it, or you could click on the eye icons to reveal that particular password. So let's say I copied it, and as you can see, the password has been copied to my clipboard. Now I could go to roblox.com, just simply paste that particular password. And the other way is, I'm just gonna log out to my account here first. So if you forgot your password, you want to remember, or if you want to retrieve it, you simply go to the login page right here and click on the forgot password or username right there. Wait for it to load. And as you can see, you could enter your email to reset your password. So you just need to simply input your email, click on submit, and now you could reset your password. I think they will send a code to your email so that you could reset your password. That's how you basically do it, and that's how you see your password on Roblox.